Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'm going to compare two ETFs, Schd with DGRO. In this video I'm going to compare holdings, expense ratio, fund overlap, backtest on how well it was performing, also what is the dividend yield history, so you will learn it all. Now, if you want to learn how you can make more money with ETFs, I created a course. You will find the course down below in the description. And also another thing that I wanted to present to you is that if you know some good ETFs and you want me to compare them, share it down below in the comments and I will be really happy to do that. So without further ado, let's start. Here we are, Schd and DGRO. Different each year you can find right here. Expense ratio, DGRO is a little bit more expensive. Expense ratio is by 0.02 higher comparing to Schd. Then when we compare here, Schd got higher assets under management and higher average daily volume, 30 billion to 133, and DGRO 21 billion to 62 million average daily volume. Now when we go further, we see that underlying index is different. Dividend 100 index with 100 holdings and dividend growth index with DGRO. Now 387 DGRO. Now when we look on the performance, and I'm going to show you the performance right here, but also with the backtest will be much better. We can see that yes, DGRO was performing 1 month here better, 3 months here better, 1 year worse, 3 years worse, 5 years little bit the same. But let's say that we would start investing 5 years back, and I'm going to show you how well it's going to perform. Now, when we look on sectors they are investing in, first thing first, technology, financials, Schd got 40% combined. Consumer, non-cyclicals, industrials 14, and then healthcare, everything is under 10. Then again, DGRO, technology 20%, financial 17, healthcare 17, industrials 12, consumer, cyclicals 10. And now when we look on the holdings, we can clearly see that, okay, what we can find in Schd. Home Depot, Pfizer, BlackRock, PepsiCo. Here on DGRO, we see Microsoft Corporation, Apple, Johnson & Johnson, also Home Depot, Procter & Gamble Company right here. And let's look on a fund overlap, but I wanted to share with you one thing. This is a really wonderful comment about Schd. You are getting no exposure to small mid-cap companies, large high-growth companies that don't pay a dividend, Tesla, Amazon, Google, any non-US companies. And also you will miss out on growth part of the market. If you can only invest with one ETF, SPY would be the standard answer. However, Schd is not too far behind. Now, when we look on a fund overlap here, let me show you Schd, DGRO. And look at this, what we can find. 51% of 100 holdings are also in DGRO, and only 13% of DGRO 387 holdings are also in Schd. Now, when you look on the overlap by weight, you see they are overlapping only by 27%, not more. And that's pretty much it. So 27%, and that's it. They're overlapping by weight. Now, when we look on performance here, and this is the most important thing in this video, is let's say we would start investing in 2015, let's say 16, $10,000 initial amount, contributed amount we are going to invest $200, inflation adjusted yes, contributing frequency monthly. And now we're gonna have Schd 100% comparing to DGRO. Look at this, analyze portfolios. And here we are. So look at this, how much and how well it would perform. You would make $2,000 less with DGRO. And my camera just went off, so I'll just turn it off. And now you see the annual returns right here. You see that 2019 DGRO was overperforming Schd. Then Schd was better. Also 2020 was better. But right now you can see by 2000, no, that's not really $2,000, that's like $1,200. But this really depends when you would start investing, right? Now, when we go further, I want to show you also the dividends. With Schd, you would make more money comparing to DGRO when we look on the past. Now, you can even see right here that Schd got 3%, 2.98, 3.06, 2.63 every single year dividend yield history. On the other hand, when we compare it with DGRO, we can see 2.40, 2.21, 2.44, 2.03. So as you can see, the dividend yield history was better with Schd. But it really depends if you like more if you like companies like Apple, Microsoft Corporation that can focus also on growth. And that's pretty much it. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some support. And you know how it goes, you know how it is. This was a comparison between Schd and DGRO. Now, to summarize this whole video, expense ratio is higher. The assets under management and average daily volume is higher with Schd. Now, when you look on overlapping, it's overlapped by 27%. When you check the back test, the performance of Schd was better by, let's say, what is that? $1,500. We were reinvesting all the dividends back to the our ETFs, and you could see that when you compare the dividends, you can clearly see that Schd was overperforming DGRO. Now, if you have any other ETFs, guys, that you want me to present, to review, also to summarize, or even compare, I'm really happy to do that. This was like a fast combination or fast review of these ETFs that you can find right now on the market. There are plenty of good ETFs and completely, like, let me just give you some ideas. Maybe even like SPHD is interesting. VIG. So even Noble is interesting. Not so much. But yeah, this is also that you can really focus on. So I made like completely a lot of videos that you can find on YouTube when you just write the tickers. And yep, have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.